to Skincare Queen, everyone. In this special video, I'm going to show you how I make my detergent bar soap. You look in the description box below for the recipe that I use in this video. In this video, I use coconut oil. I use sustainable palm oil. So they are already melted. The two are melted, so they're here. Then I have my lye solution. If you do not know how to make your own lye solution, look in the description box below for a video I made recently on how to mix lye solution for soap making. That is going to give you a very good idea. So watch that video, you know how to prepare your lye solution. So I have my lye solution here, and I have the oil here. The oil that I use is coconut oil and palm oil, but for the exact amount that I use, look in the description box below for the link to the recipe. So here is the oil, it's already melted, and I have my lye solution. The next thing I will be doing now is to blending it, and I'm going to be using an immersion blender. Also, if you want to if you don't have an immersion blender, look in the description box below for how to get your own. So I'm going to get ready and put my immersion blender in. Okay, then I will pour my lye solution gently over the immersion blender. I'll pass it over the immersion blender, okay, so as to avoid a bubble. So I'm pouring it over the immersion blender right now. For this special recipe, I will be using borax. Borax actually help for cleaning solution. Since I will be using this to clean my clothes, so I will be adding borax. So I have my borax here. I will add it to this solution. Then I'm going to start whisking. I'm going to whisk it until it until it forms a trace. Blending part is very important, as we want the oil and water to mix together, and the functional ingredient here is the lye solution that's going to help emulsify the oil and the water. So now that it's properly mixed, the next thing I will do now is to add it into my mold. This part has to be very fast, okay? We'll be adding the soap into the mold. Keep in mind, this soap is not for beating, okay? This is a detergent that you can use to wash your clothes, okay? Not for beating, because I have borax in there. You don't want to use borax to bait. Like I promised yesterday, that I'm going to start a series of soap making project, and I think that the best way to start also is to start with the detergent, because it's not that common, and a lot of people do not know how to make the proper detergent. So because you are special to me, that's why I brought this to you first on this channel. If you have not subscribed to the channel, do well by clicking the subscribe button and the notification icon to be notified when I upload new videos. So before I pour this into my mold, I will do Before I pour this into my soap mold, if you do not have a soap mold, look in the description box below for where to get your own. So before I pour into the soap mold, I'm going to do a very important step, and that involves adding my essential oil. The essential oil of choice in this project is lemon. Lemon is very good for if you want anything, any washing detergent. Lemon is a very good choice. Also, you can use lemongrass. So I will be using 2 tablespoons of lemon essential oil. 2 tablespoons of lemon essential oil. This is really going to help with the cleaning part. Anytime you're making a cleaning soap, just make sure you employ the power of lemon. Lemon helps so much with the cleaning. So we're going to mix it once more, this time around with a spatula. And you're going to make sure you mix it very well. At this time, you don't want to use your immersion blender. You just want to mix it with a spatula. And now it's the time to pour it into our soap mold. And we're going to allow this to sit for some time before we unmold it, and once it's unmolded, it's ready to be used to wash. And that's how you make your own detergent. I know a lot of people do, show you how to make detergent with by crumbling soap, but no, that's a waste of time. This is the best way to make your own detergent at home. At this point, you don't have to do anything special. Just the only thing that's next now is the waiting time. You asked me when would this be ready for you to be used. I actually recommend at least a week. Okay, we want a solution whereby the water, we want a saponification. Okay, we want it to complete before we use it, because if you use it when saponification is not complete, it might hurt you because of the presence of the sodium hydroxide. So during saponification, okay, sodium hydroxide is going to evaporate, and we are left with the actual soap. Okay, but if you use it before then, you have sodium hydroxide there, it might hurt your skin, so you don't want to do that. The same applies to when you're making regular soap that's not detergent. So this is very important. Just you need to wait. It's very important that now, to prevent soda ash, okay, I have isopropyl alcohol here. I have 70% isopropyl alcohol here, so I'm going to use it to spray the head. That is going to help to prevent soda ash. If you want to make any design just before you spray it, you can. This is the time to do your design. Okay, maybe you want to write your special name on it, or you just want to have special patterns. In another video, I'm going to show you frosting, how to design your soap and make it look more professional, more special, how to color your soap. It's all natural. Remember, on this channel I teach you, you know, how to live, you know, with natural means, not with excessive chemical or toxic chemical. Keep in mind, we all things are chemical, but what we use in the natural sector are the non-toxic chemical, okay, that will not hurt you in any way. So that's what I specialize in. So if you love this video, this is it. I just have the next thing we're doing now is just the waiting time. We're going to wait for it to set. Usually you ask me what's the next thing, how long does it take to set? Setting depends on what you use, but because we use coconut oil, which is soft, we use sustainable palm oil, which is also not too hard. It might take at least 2 to 3 days or even 24 hours before it becomes hard. So once it's hard, you might want to take it out of the mold, then you're going to cut it. So I'm going to make the video of when I'm cutting it so you see, and I will make a video of when I will use it so you see exactly how this works. The only way you support my effort on this channel is by subscribing, okay? So do well by clicking the subscribe button and the notification icon to be notified anytime I upload new video. I have so many projects coming up, so you don't want to miss that. Make sure you subscribe now so as to be the first to be informed anytime I upload new video. To prevent soda ash, we're going to spray with rubbing alcohol. That's 70% isopropyl alcohol. The link is also in the description, so I'm going to spray that, okay? I have the isopropyl alcohol. The alcohol I'm using is this one, okay? I have a link in the description box below from where you can get your own. So I have it in the spray bottle, and I will be spraying it. The essence of that is to prevent soda ash. Soda ash can, you know, cause your soap to just to break apart. So you don't want that. That's why we're going to spray it with isopropyl alcohol. With that in mind, we're set to go. All we have to do now is just wait till our soap is set.